Hi, ladies and gentlemen. On occasion, people will reach out to me and ask me how to change a layout in Act. Now, when you install Act, Act comes with different layouts. And what a layout is really just what you see on the screen. So we have all these fields up top. We have things down at the bottom. I can drag this bar up and down if I so desire. But basically, the layout is what we've put on our screen, what we can see, the fields, all of the information. Now, because Act has different layouts available, you can choose them by simply coming up to this bar up here. See where it says Basic Contact Layout? I'm going to click on this drop down, and I'm going to go down and choose the one called Basic Contact Layout. Now, I know when I choose this one, some information, nope, it all stayed on the screen. I thought some things might jump out to the right, but we've basically changed the layout just simply by clicking on that drop down box. On that note, if you have two primary layouts you use, or in other words, think of your layout like an index card. And let's say you have layout number 1 and layout number 2. Well, if this was layout number 1 and we want to get back to layout number 2, we can simply press the F6 key on our keyboard and that will flip it around. So right now I'm going to press the F6 key and you'll see it went right back to the previous layout. So let me do that one more time and there's our layout. So it's slightly different, very subtle, but what I'm saying is that's all it takes to change a layout. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you so very much for your time. Have a great day. Bye now.